Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build this beautiful switch activated fountain. So then here you go, got your fountain here, and then once you press it again, it turns off. So I'm going to be showing you how to build this thing. Now the things that you'll need are, I'll be using two types of wool, since for the tutorial it'll be easy for beginners. But I'm just going to be using this, but you can use any other block. A dispenser, redstone, a redstone torch, a stone brick, and a button. So then first of all, I'll be going quickly. Now I'm going to show you where to place the redstone. So then yeah, that's technically it. So then now we get our stone brick, place it on here. Get your stone brick, place it around here. Place an outline so the water won't get out. So then yeah, we're technically done. Oh wait, I forgot. We'll need a bucket of water. So I forgot that wrong. We have this. Then get your water. Place it here. Then get your button, and then it's really important that you know where to place the button. Place the button right under the block which has a redstone dust here. Now it should be ready. Oh, whoops. Now it should be ready. Let's press it. See, look, water flows out, and then if you press it again, water decreases. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a very easy thing for beginners. Thank you guys for watching. Show me some love by subscribing and liking the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.